Hello, my name is Adam and this is YouTube channel Fuse Service, HVAC, Electrical and Plumbing. And in this video I would like to talk with you about myths, debunk it, what really damages your plumbing pipes. The first myth, flushable wipes are safe for pipes. Actually, many so-called flushable wipes don't break down easily and can clog pipes and sewer systems. Stick to toilet paper only. So the next myth, grease can block your pipes. Absolutely right. So hot water can eliminate this problem for the little bit because it's gonna melt the grease for a little bit time, but actually if you will pour a lot of grease into your pipes, so you may have a blockage very soon if you do it all the time when you're cooking. So make sure you pour the cooking oil into the dumpster. So the next myth, small leaks are not the big deal. So truth, even the leak is very small and it's just sipping a little bit water, and maybe in one day it can just run about 1 gallon of the water. 1 gallon of the water can make a lot of damage into your house. So make sure no any leaks you don't have in your household. Okay, myth number 4. Chemical drains cleaners are the best solutions for clogs. So if you have a temporary blockage in your sewer pipe system, and you may have a consideration to buy just the cheapest version of the plumbing, like a plumber. So you're buying the liquid for $15 or $20, pour it into your sink and wait maybe 10-15 minutes. What can happen next? If you have old iron pipes, it will corrode very well when you use this type of the liquids, because one time may be fine, maybe 2 times is fine, but if you use it very often, so it will damage your pipe very well. Maybe not tomorrow, but maybe a few years, and you will have very nice leakage in your sewer pipes. Myth number 5. If you put the ice cubes into your disposal, it will sharpen your blades. It is absolutely fake, because nothing gonna happen with your disposal blades because they are not sharp already, and they will just crush these ice cubes. That's it. Myth number 6. If you have no any issues with your plumbing system, with your pipes, with your sewer, that means no problem with that. So you can just keep your system running without any inspections and maintenance. That is wrong. If you have regularly check your pipes, maybe under sink or maybe in your garage site or maybe something different places where the pipes are exposed, check them regularly, because if something you're not see one day, maybe can happen after just a year, maybe 1 year. So make sure you check them just in case every 6 months. Myth number 7. So running water while using the garbage disposal prevents clogs. So if you put a lot of garbage into your disposal and running with water, it still can clog your sewer system, because it will not be safe when you put a lot of stuff into your sewer pipes. So make sure you're running a lot of more water than you just put waste into your garbage disposal. But my recommendation is all the time put all waste into your dumpster, not into your sewer. Make sure you follow this rule. Myth number 8. All metals are safe for plumbing pipes. So certain metals like galvanized pipe are prone to rusting and can leach contaminants into your water. So when you actually drinking the water from the metal pipes like galvanized, you can feel the metal taste. So modern day, we usually recommend to use copper or PEX pipes for modern systems. Myth number 9. You can flush anything if it's fit into your toilet. So only human waste can be flushed into the toilet. So don't put anything else, only toilet paper and whatever your body can produce. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.